Hello everybody and welcome to the aircraft hangar. Today I'm going to show you how to fold an amazing paper plane that has landing gear, missiles at the side of the amazing wings, angled wings, canard, and a reinforced edge here. So basically you can fold it in to reinforce the layers here, but I didn't do that as this is foil and it's pretty thick. Foil paper, yeah. So it flies pretty far and it has good maneuverability. As you can see, it has reinforced wings. And the landing gear is pretty efficient too. And yes, the canards are reinforced too. And hope you enjoyed the video. You will need a 13-inch square sheet of foil paper and should be double-sided. Just paste. You can paste to make it. You can paste foil on normal paper. Make sure it's not too thin, not too thick, and you blow dry it to glue the edges properly. You should press out all air pockets. Okay, and I recommend you to use 16 by 16 centimeter A5 or A4 cut from that, and cutting from 8.5 by 11 inches okay, but you should have a bigger paper to fold it. This is, yeah. Okay, so your first step is to fold it in half like this. And you want to fold the Vulcan base. You fold this here. And next you squash fold this flat. But you don't really squash fold it that hard down yet. After you've done this, you flip it over and just align it properly onto the center. Flip it to the other side and line it properly. Then crease it. Now you squash fold this big flat. Into the center. Crease it nicely and make sure this crease lands on this. Now you fold this flap as far as can go up this point. Now you fold these two edges into the center like this. And you fold at this point and land this edge in the center here. Shiny point here. Now over here you have these two creases and you just fold on them in. So it should be like this. And you fold this in on this crease here. Just flip it over and fold this to the center. And you finish your base. Not exactly, still a little bit more. Okay, now you pull this edge out like this and make sure you fold this out a little bit. Pull it so that the crease doesn't buckle. And squash fold this edge here. And can petal fold it. But oh yeah, you fold this two edges out first. Just fold it to center. Then petal fold it. So it should look like this. Now, you fold this edge out. Oh, you fold it back. Sorry, I made a mistake. You don't need to fold it out. It's your preference. You unfold these. Okay. Find it easier to work with that. Just flatten out the creases a little bit so that it really wouldn't, you know, for foil, the creases are sometimes too bad, too sharp, and it's gonna stand up like this, so you don't want that. Okay, so now you fold back in on this. We're basically reforming the top part. Fold this, then fold on this piece, and fold this out. Same thing here, fold it here. Just squash it in. And then you push this in as well. And open it up. Should be like this. Fold these in. And this edge should go out like this, blending on this. And you just want to push this in. Try not to make it too crumpled. And then squash it down. And try to get it as neat as possible. Now you fold this edge as far as it can go down. And perform a double petal fold. So you fold on this up. You should fold in on this piece you have. And this. Same thing here. And you can open it up and lie it flat. Squash it as well. brighter. And just like the step just now, you fold this as far as can go up. Sorry about the new background, but just gotta use it. Just getting some. Just fold this all the way down. And you open sync this by just pressing it in. Now you fold this edge into the center. No, this edge in, so that it lands on this line here. And you also want this edge, this line to hit this line. This is this sequence will be a little bit different from Falcon, cause I'm making the front landing gear instead with this layer. So you don't fold it like this, you just leave it like this. Fold this here to the side and fold it in, but you want this crease to land on this edge here. And fold this in. So it should just be like this. Just fold it back across. And over here, this you fold it as far as can go out. Like that. Just swiveling it out. Now you want to fold this here. I hope it's not too dark. Just swivel it from this point to this outer point. So I'm combining the two folds in one. fold it back across, and same thing on the other side. So it should be like this, and then this edge you want to fold it as far as can go. Oh no, not as far as can go. You just want it to hit this point here. And this edge here will be your canard. Now you basically pop this edge out like this. Can fold this edge up, this edge. And just fold it in. And fold it up, fold it down right at this point here, edge, I mean. Oh yeah, and you also need to tuck it inside here. Fold this. Sorry. You fold it like this and just fold it here. Then you fold the canard out. So that it should be like this. Just put it behind and fold it out again. And fold it in. Repeat the steps on the other side. fold at this connect point, basically this point, where this edge is over here. You fold at that point, and that is also where your jackfruit will be, but don't worry about that for now. Freeze it well. And you fold the wing out at that point where you've creased it to this point. Now you fold this edge to this corner here. You fold this out, lining it on this edge. You can squash fold it next. And petal fold it up. Then you fold it down. And you want to fold it from this point here to this edge here. Just like this, and fold the paper in like this. Fold it back over. You fold this up. Next, you fold this to the center, and this edge too, fold it to the center and squash fold it. That's the missile. Or whatever you call it. Now, just fold this edge all the way. Sorry. Just fold it so that this point lands on this edge here, and you want this to be, this crease here to be parallel to the fuselage. Okay, unfold this and just fold a little bit over to this edge. And you roll the tool in just like this. You can unfold it after that, but that's shaping the wings and giving it a nice shape. Now you make the back landing gear, so you fold from this point to this. Same thing here. And then fold this shit to this. Now this edge and this, you divide it into thirds. Just fold it in like that. Now you unfold all of this and unfold this, unfold this, and fold on this edge here, then like this, and this final crease, just fold it like this. Fold the landing gear back and forth. And fold it down. Same thing on this side. Okay, so you have this crease that you made just now. Forward it from this point to this. And just fold this back across and this. You fold the canard up. Canards, I mean. Fold these wings up. Basically, you fold it down at this angle. Fold this slightly, like this. And this plane flies very far with the correct wing angles. So you should. Now you pull up the tail fin. Just like, and get this parallel to the edge here. Now you want to lock your plane. So you fold this in. Unfold it. Just zoom in when it's on the fold it to that crease, then fold it as far as can go into the fuselage. Crease it well and good. Set the wing angles. Basically, this is without the landing gear retracted, but if with the landing gear retracted, but if you want to unretract the landing gear, just fold this here down and fold these two edges down up. Just inside reverse fold the front landing gear down. Okay. Oh, and this part is optional, but you can just fold it so that this edge hits the other one here, and inside reverse fold it, but it's optional. And there. Also, if you want it to glide or stay in the air a longer time, just put your finger, open this and close it a bit. That's for more maneuverability, sorry. Leave it slightly open and give it some elevators, as it's nose heavy and you may dive down. So to retract the landing gear, basically you can either fold it this way or just unfold it on the front. And for the back, just fold these two down and fold it together, and that's your cue. So there is a finished paper plane. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe.